Can we delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can delete the WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. So let's just get started with the video and see if we can do that or not. So for that, you can head over to your WhatsApp first. And once you are there, head over to the chat from where you want to delete your message which was sent a long time ago. For example, I have sent this message right here. So all you need to do is go ahead and long press on it and tap on this delete option at the top. And you'll be finding this option called delete message with a confirmation that says delete for me. So as of 2024, it is not possible to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. The delete for everyone option works only for a limited time frame after sending the message. Meaning, once the window closes, you cannot retroactively delete a message for everyone in the chat. The delete for everyone feature has a strict time limit, so if you want to delete a message for everyone, you need to do it as soon as possible after sending it. So that is it. That is how we find out if we can delete the WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time or not. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.